Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 58 of 3 words and expressions of a hundred-day. Review first. 彩虹，彩虹，彩虹 rainbow. 雨伞，雨伞，雨伞 umbrella. 星星，星星，星星 star. Now follow me to learn 价格，便宜，昂贵 in Chinese characters. 价格，价格 means price. Is this the lowest price you can take? 这是你能接受的最低价格吗？价格，price， 人字旁，介，格，木字旁。价格 price. Next one 便宜，便宜 means cheap. It's cheap, but it's nice. 它是便宜的，但是它是好的。便宜，人字旁，宜，cheap. cheap 便宜。Next one 昂贵，昂贵 expensive. 昂贵，It's not so expensive as you might expect. 没有你想象的那么贵。昂贵，日，贵，倍 expensive. 价格，价格，价格 price. 便宜，便宜，便宜 cheap. 昂贵，昂贵，昂贵 expensive. Let me know what do you want to add in your DIY Chinese dictionary in a comment below. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.